Welcome to the Trading Reality. Here we share honest trading, no fake promises. Trading involves risk. Never trade money you can't afford to lose. This video explains the MambaBot AutoTrader setup from MT4. And if you want me to test any other trading robots, software, or indicators, let me know in the comments below. I'll review and share my honest results with you. I spent a lot of time testing and creating this video for you. If it helped you, please subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps me bring more quality trading content.